most people ask me in high-end homes, what are you looking for? Well, it's two things. You're looking for high-end quality as far as it's resilient, it's durable, it's going to last, and you're looking for aesthetics. And with most window companies, they're not manufacturing for aesthetics. They're manufacturing for a price point. They're trying to make the window so that it's an all, it fits all, it hits all criteria, if you will. And so, but it's a cookie cutter window. They all look the same. They're white, they're beige, and that's it. With us, we have various different colors. We have different wood grain veneers on the interior, different color skins on the exterior, different paints that are available on the exterior. I make all different sizes and styles and shapes of windows, and everything we do is custom built. And I have to add the little caveat, within reason, we can pretty much do anything. And so when we go into homes, like we do the full range, we do, $150,000 homes, and we do $3 and $4 million homes, and everywhere in between. And it doesn't matter which customer you are, you get the same caliber, quality, installation, product, design, architecture. All of it's the same. Our whole goal is that we're a permanent, long-term window solution. And so not only are we manufacturing to hit efficiency and durability things, though, we're trying to make it an attractive product as well, so that you're not just happy to have the benefits that I said earlier of efficiency and durability, you're proud of the appearance of your home. It's like, not to be corny, but it's like giving your home a facelift. When you're replacing the windows on your home, 80%, in some cases, 70 to 80% of the exterior is windows. You've got so many homes today that are built with windows all on the back of the house and things like that it's a vast majority of it. And so you want it to not only do all the things and be durable and efficient, you want it to be attractive. You want it to be like, man, that looks great. I'm very proud of how that turned out. And you're showing it off. I sound like an old guy, but you're showing it off to your friends and neighbors. Look how good that looks. And that's our goal, is to not only, again, make it a more efficient and durable product, but it to be something that you're proud of with the aesthetics of how well it makes your home look. And not to insult most homes, but after the windows are put in, it's like you don't realize how bad your old windows looked. Like I have a friend that I actually did some windows for that lives out in the Lee Summit area. And his windows were wood windows, high-end wood windows with a metal clad on the outside. I won't say the brand or whatever, but the between the metal slats, there was all kinds of leaching and things like that, and staining on the metal. And you noticed it, but you didn't notice it. But after we took all his windows out and put ours in, and everything's brand new and pristine, it's like, I didn't say it to them. They said it to me, because I'm not rude. I wouldn't say it to them. He's like, I didn't realize how bad my windows looked until I replaced them. And that's a very true statement. You can't believe, we'll go into people's homes and we'll tear their windows out and put ours in, and they'll be like, what a difference. And again, we're talking about windows. It's not the most exciting thing, but it makes a huge difference, not just in the comfort, not just in the fact that you don't have to maintain and upkeep and stuff like that, but just in the aesthetics. It improves the curb appeal of your home. So I hope that answers that question.